Hello, my name is Jean. Welcome to my YouTube channel. There were two girls named Sophia and Crystal. They studied English at CASEM in Monteverde. I'll say that again, a little slower for those who are shadowing me. There were two girls named Sophia and Crystal. They studied English at CASEM in Monteverde. One day, Sophia saw a man with a beard sitting in the coffee shop. She said, "Crystal, look at the man drinking coffee. He has a bird in his beard. A bird in his beard." Crystal said, "OMG, someone needs to tell him. Someone needs to tell him." Sophia walked over and told the man that he had a bird in his beard. He said, "The bird's name is Albert." Oh, yeah, here we go. Yeah. "The bird's name is Albert, and Albert likes to drink coffee." Sophia told Crystal that was not true. Crystal went home and told her mom, Pamela, "Mom, there was a man with a bird in his beard at the coffee shop, and the bird was drinking beer." Pamela said, "Of course the bird was drinking beer. Coffee would kill him."